Hood ornaments weren't just decoration. They were symbols of speed, luxury, and brand identity. Today, we're counting down 5 of the most legendary antique hood ornaments from the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum, each with a story as bold as the cars they rode on. Let's dive in. Number 5, the 1912 American Underslung. A fierce eagle, wings spread, ready for takeoff, because nothing says American engineering like slapping a bald eagle on the hood. The American Underslung was ahead of its time, designed lower to the ground for better handling. This ornament just made it look even cooler. Number 4, the 1936 Packard Pelican. You might think it's a swan, but it's actually a pelican. A nod to the Packard family crest, where the bird symbolizes self-sacrifice and resilience. Packard wasn't just about luxury, it was about heritage, and this elegant pelican gave their cars a regal touch. Turns out, pelicans aren't just good at carrying fish, they also look fantastic on a hood. Number 3. The 1934 Lincoln Model K Beak Convertible Victoria. Ever wonder what a top dog status looks like? Well, here it is. The Lincoln Greyhound symbolized speed and prestige, proving once again that nothing says fast like an animal in full sprint. A reminder that, yes, even in the 1930s, people loved putting animals on their cars. Number 2, the 1937 Pierce Arrow Archer. A nearly naked guy with a bow and arrow. Bold choice, Pierce Arrow. This archer wasn't just for looks. It represented precision and power, much like the luxury cars it rode on. Number 1, the 1927 Lincoln Model L, the Howler. A screaming, ghostly face flying down the road, absolutely terrifying. The rare La Howler was designed to grab attention and probably scare a few pedestrians along the way. If you saw this in your rearview mirror, you'd speed up too. From eagles to archers to haunted hood ornaments, these designs weren't just decoration, they were statements. Want to see them in person? Head over to the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum, where history is anything but boring.
Wait, what was the line on that one again?
Hold on a second. Let me see what else we got here.
What's that? Oh, you like our content?
Where are we going now?
The Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum, obviously. Please like and subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.
We have a lot of content we want to show you guys, but please hit that subscribe button right now.